Hey, welcome back to Amusement Archive. We got the Oklahoma Midpoint Sculpture here, also known as the Route 66 push pin. Let's take a closer look at this thing. Got the little plaque here, Route 66 Public Art Trail. Check this thing out. And it's even got a target right here in the center. Lots of cool artwork on the side. Let's do a little walk around real quick. And there's even some stuff under it, which is super cool. Man, this is pretty impressive. One of the new things for the Route 66 Centennial. Pretty dang cool. See the different artwork, and then under here it's actually got some of the other non-Oklahoma spots on Route 66. So we're in Wellston right now, which is where it says right there. Known for Butcher's Barbecue, one of the best barbecues ever. But man, this is super cool. Check it out if you're ever on Route 66 in Oklahoma. Thanks for taking a trip with the Amusement Archive, man. Can't believe the Centennial of Route 66. How cool is that? Got a new monument here in Oklahoma. They're doing all kinds of cool new stuff, but this, I had to come see this thing. So cool. Got a bunch of videos, so check those playlists. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description, either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.